Hello, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, we're finally going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for June. So sorry, you guys probably have already seen it, been unboxed, all of that, but I'm going to make it fun and we're going to create a look with it. Let's get to unboxing. So let's unbox this Boxycharm. So here is the Boxycharm. So the first thing I see, yes, are these 3 large face brushes, and these are from Luxie. 3-piece flawless complexion precision foundation brush, a tapering highlighting face brush, and we have a dual fiber powder brush, and this goes for $42. I'm super excited that we have this in our Boxycharm, you guys. Next thing I see in here is this Brailian BUM BUM Cream. I see so many people rave about it, that it smells amazing. So I'm excited that we have this in our Boxycharm, and this is the Brailian BUM BUM Cream. The Brailian BUM BUM Cream is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. This one goes for $10. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it all over my panza. Oh, that smells so good. Yes, so me and baby are gonna be all lathered up. Yeah. Next are these right here, and this is lashes. Ooh, I think I'll put these ones on. If all else fails, bat your lashes. The Battington silk lashes, and these go for $28. You can never be upset with the lashes, especially if they look pretty like these. So I am excited. That Bum Bum Cream smells amazing. So next we have the Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, $21. And this is in the shade Verona. Ooh, that is a pretty shade. I really like the shade that I got. It's just making me happy. I had to. Everything smells so good right now in pregnancy. Look how pretty that color is. And then we also have the Jonteblu eyeliner pencil, and this is in the shade Charcoal. I love their lip liners. We had one in our Boxycharm a couple months ago or last month, not sure, but got it on the booter. Loved it. Okay, so last but certainly not least, this has been going around. I'm so excited. So this is volume 1. This is the Alamar. This palette goes for $28, and it features these beautiful shades. Okay, I'm telling you guys. Oh, when I seen the swatches of this, I was just like, yes. It is so beautiful, and I love how nice it feels. And it actually feels like a little book, so you can actually just like put it in with your palettes. I love it. I love how it's just yellow, super duper pretty. I really like it. So let me zoom in and give you guys some swatches. That just, ooh, like butter, you guys, just butter. Look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. And you guys, they just glided on, like I'm not even joking. Glided on so smoothly. Ooh, this one is right here. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go in and prime our eyes. I will be adding some Tarte Shape Tape for my eye primer. Just going to add it. Ooh, that was a lot of it. Going to add that just so that the colors pop more, even though that palette does not need any help, because damn, that was crazy pigmented good. Now going in with my eyeliner pointed brush. This is for foundation, but I'm going to use it for my eye just to blend everything in. So I'm gonna go in with burnt orange and just kind of add that in my crease. Just going with that shade. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics small blending brush. Going in with the Makeup Shack T93. This is such a pretty fluffy brush. And we're just going to, ooh, blend that in. That is pretty, look at that. That is a beautiful shade. Okay, I kind of just want to pack that color because that is just so freaking pretty. So I want to use that burnt orange in this kind of cranberry shade. Mixing those two, and I'm going in with just a knockoff Makeup Forever brush. It says Makeup For You. And we're just going to add that right in the crease. Add it right there in the crease, and we're just going to lightly start blending that. And then we're going to go in with blending brush in a minute. I just want to add that color in there, kind of to mark it like, okay, this is where we're gonna work, and then we have to blend our work. So just kind of placing it, and then we're gonna go back in with another brush, and we're going to blend to the gods. Going in with the Morphe G24, and then we're going to blend those shades that we marked down. Now we're going to cut the crease. We'll be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape and a MAC 249. Pack that. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, what did I use for that brush? It was the Makeup Shack T51. Now we're going in with the Makeup Shack T48. And we're just patting the shade. It's applying nicely, but I love the way it's swatched. So I'm gonna go in with my pinky. Yeah, I see using the pinky, it's really bringing that color out. And we're just going to blend these two shades. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Shack T66 brush and add it to our inner eye. Then underneath our brow. And if we need to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some tape because I want to build up that kind of wine shade. So going in with my dollar tape that I got. I'm gonna go in with that. Now going in with my LA Girl 204 brush. So now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner and I'm just going to wing out this eye. So these are the lashes that came in the Boxycharm. The glue is still sort of drying, but before it completely dries, I think I'm gonna go in with something just a little bit more dramatic just because of the eye look that I have going on. So I will be applying a different pair of lashes. But here is the lashes. I did want to show you guys how it looked with those lashes. Okay, so I changed the lashes and boom. It like really just brings the whole look just together, in my opinion. I feel like the dramatic lashes really just make it pop even more. And these are the styles in the Shop Miss A, Alexis. Now going in with my Smashbox Photo Finish. This one is the Minimizing Primer. I'm just going to add that right here just to minimize those pores so they don't look so big. And on my forehead. And it kind of just blurs out your imperfections, like your skin. It kind of just gives it like a smooth. So I will be using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Oil just because my skin has been a little bit dry in some areas and I find using an oil really helps. On the side of my forehead and just blend that in. Okay, going in with my all-time favorite. This is the Born This Way foundation and this is in the shade Golden Beige. And we will be using Luxie Precision Foundation Brush. We're just going to blend that into our skin. Ooh, that is nice. Ooh, that is nice. It feels super nice. I don't use brushes often, and then when I use a brush and it's really good, I'm like, well, that's really nice. That sounds so funny how I'm like, ooh, that's really good. I don't know why I feel like when I get to my nose area when I'm putting on foundation or I feel like I can't catch my breath. Like, have you ever taken a shower and you close your eyes and you're washing off the shampoo and you feel like you can't breathe? It feels like that. I'm not sure why. Like, it's not all the time, but most of the time it's like that, where I'm like, I feel like I can't breathe. Some of you are gonna be like, it's because you're gaining weight, Jade, but no, not even all the time. It's even when I was like down a couple. Ooh, that looks good. See the difference? Foundation, no foundation. Foundation, no foundation. See how nice that looks? Ooh. Oh! Now going in with this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Full Coverage Concealer M12. And I will be applying this right here and right here. It feels so good to put on makeup. You have no idea. It's been a minute. I'm gonna go woo my babe after. I'm like really liking how this blended out my foundation. I'm gonna use this to blend out that concealer we added. Cause the brush is like really soft and nice where it just blends. See, look at that. That looks, oh, I'm really liking this. You guys are probably gonna see me use this brush. So whoever got the Boxycharm, heck yeah, I got some good brushes. I'm going in with my Tarte Pro Glow Palette. I will be using this shade right here. Wait, that scared me. This shade right here to contour. This shade right here, that shade, you can seriously go to town. It's foolproof. I swear it's foolproof. You can go crazy with it and very forgiving. So if you're learning how to contour and you're having like somewhat of a hard time, the shade is very forgiving. Like, you can put on so much. I'm not even joking. So much. One of these days I'm gonna do that and you'll be fine. So like, it blends like a dream. And I've said that every single time with that product. Now going in with the Peach Perfect by Too Faced. This is so nice. I set underneath our eye. Forehead. Okay, so now to finish contouring, I will be going in with my Cookie Powder Contouring Palette, and I will be using this shade right here. Using the Luxie Why would I keep saying that? Duo Fiber Brush. Before we continue any further, I do want to do my bottom lash line. So going in with Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil, and I will be using Electric. Ooh. This Boxycharm killed it. Killed it. This is Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. I'm just gonna add just a little bit right there. Just a little bit underneath. The baby is really kicking. She's probably feeling the look too. Okay, we're just going to add just a little bit right there. Oh yes, Mina, you see guys? Do you see that? Oh, I love feeling my baby kick. You wanna see your sister kick?
Yeah.
Watch, that was it. Watch, put your hand right here. Before I can feel her kick.
Oh, I
You felt it? Let's go. She kicks hard, huh? That's cool, huh?
Yeah.
Crazy, huh?
I thought it would like feel like a ball, but I actually feel like something.
Yeah.
Her little feet.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
I'm glad she got to fit the baby cake. I'm going to add some blush. Using my Sweet Peach Glow, I will be using, it smells so good. Now going in with my MAC, this is Oh Darling, and we're going to highlight. Now for lips, I will be using the Jonteblu, and this is the lip liner that we got, I believe, last box, and this is Brown Sugar. Okay, so now going in with the Ofra Cosmetics, and this is the Verona. Ooh. Ooh. That looks nice. I like how that's coming together. Okay, so last but not least, now going in with my Pixie Glow Mist. And I love the Pixie Glow Mist because it gives you just an extra kind of glow, glowy and dewy, where you just look like, done. I really like how the look came out. I really am so excited that I'm playing with my makeup again. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, so this is the end of my Boxycharm slash makeup tutorial slash unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I do have my own special link down below. If you guys use it, I do receive commission. You do not have to use it, but if you do, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you guys got something different in your Boxycharm. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!